What if I told you that nearly 2,000 years ago, a powerful empire ruled the heart of India, controlled massive trade routes, built magnificent monuments, defeated foreign invaders, and connected India with the Roman world? Yet today, very few people know their name. This is the incredible story of the Satavahana Dynasty, the forgotten empire of ancient India. After the fall of the mighty Maurya Empire, India was divided into many kingdoms. In the middle of this political chaos, around the 1st century BCE, a new power emerged from the Deccan region. Its founder was believed to be Simukha. From small beginnings, the Satavahanas slowly expanded their influence across present-day Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and beyond. But this was not just another kingdom. This dynasty would become one of the longest ruling empires in Indian history. The Satavahanas sat at the center of India's trade routes. Their ports connected India with the Roman Empire, Arabia, and Southeast Asia. Roman ships arrived carrying gold, wine, and luxury goods, while Indian merchants exported spices, cotton, pearls, and precious stones. Archaeologists have discovered Roman coins deep inside Satavahana territory, proof of a thriving international economy. Imagine this! Nearly 2,000 years ago, merchants from India and Rome were already trading across oceans. The Satavahanas became incredibly wealthy from this global trade network. The warrior king, Gautamiputra Satakarni. Among all Satavahana rulers, one name stands above the rest. He was known as the destroyer of foreign invaders. At that time, powerful groups called the Western Kshatrapas had taken control of parts of Western India. But Gautamiputra fought back fiercely. He defeated rival kings, restored Satavahana power, and became one of the greatest rulers of ancient India. Ancient inscriptions describe him as the upholder of Dharma and protector of his people. His victories transformed the Satavahanas into a dominant empire. The Satavahanas were not only warriors. They were patrons of art, religion, and architecture. They supported both Hinduism and Buddhism, creating an atmosphere of cultural harmony. Some of India's most beautiful Buddhist caves and stupas flourished during their rule. The famous Ajanta caves and Amaravati Stupa are linked to the artistic traditions that grew under Satavahana influence. Their sculptures, carvings, and inscriptions still amaze historians today. One remarkable aspect of Satavahana history was the important role of royal women. Queens and royal mothers were respected and influential. In fact, many rulers proudly used their mother's name as part of their own identity. That is why Gautamiputra Satakarni literally means Satakarni, son of Gautami. This was highly unusual in the ancient world and shows the elevated status of women in their society. But no empire lasts forever. Over time, internal conflicts, regional rebellions, and constant wars weakened the Satavahanas. New powers began rising across India. By the 3rd century CE, the once great dynasty slowly disappeared from history. Their cities faded. Their power collapsed. And their story was buried beneath time. Even though many people rarely hear about them today, the Satavahanas changed Indian history forever. They united large parts of the Deccan, expanded global trade, protected Indian culture from foreign domination, and helped spread art, religion, and learning across the subcontinent. Their legacy still survives in ancient caves, coins, inscriptions, and ruins scattered across India. The Satavahana dynasty may be forgotten by many, but their story remains one of the most fascinating chapters of ancient history. Empires rise. Empires fall. But some leave echoes that never truly disappear. And the Satavahana are one of them. If you enjoyed this journey into ancient history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more untold stories of forgotten empires.